Hi, my name is Dima, and in today's mini exam video, we'll be going over phylogenetics and phylogenetic trees. But before we begin, let's talk about what phylogenetics is. It's a study of evolutionary relationships among biological species, but in today's case, we'll be looking at candy. To show the relationships between OTUs, also known as operational taxonomics units, we use phylogenetic trees. Phylogenetic trees are graphical representations of degrees of similarity and differences between OTUs. Our OTUs for today are Sour Patch Kids, M&Ms, Peanut M&Ms, Almond M&Ms, Crunch Bar, Hershey's Milk Chocolate, Hershey's Cookies and Cream, Hershey's Milk Chocolate with Almonds, and Hershey's Mr. Good Bar. Now let's look at the phylogenetic tree for candy. The candies I just went over will be at the end of each branch of our tree, and they represent the OTUs. We can tell that the taxonomic tree is rooted because all candies or OTUs originated or derived from one common ancestor. The tan circles are known as the internal nodes, and these present the most recent and common ancestors that existed before a divergence occurred. Now let's go over our tree. As you can see, although all the candies were derived from one common ancestor, all the candies are chocolate except for the Sour Patch. The Sour Patch in this tree is our outgroup because it diverged earlier than all of the other OTUs or chocolates. The first divergence that occurred in this tree was dividing the fruity candy from the chocolate. The next divergence separated the chocolate into dot-shaped chocolate and flat bars. Next, we divided the dot-shaped chocolate by the presence of nuts and the absence of nuts. Regular M&Ms don't have nuts, while peanut M&Ms and almond M&Ms do. Since both of these M&Ms have nuts, this indicates that the most recent ancestor had this trait, which made them closely related to each other. Now let's look at the next node, where flat bars are divided by brands. They're divided by Nestle and Hershey bars. In the next node, we divided the plain milk chocolate Hershey bars with flavored Hershey bars. After that, we divided it by the presence of nuts and no nuts. The cookies and cream was flavored, but it didn't have any nuts. And in the last node, we divided it by the kind of nuts. Hershey's milk chocolate with almond and Hershey's Mr. Good bar with peanuts. These two Hershey bars with nuts are the most closely related out of all of the other OTUs, since they have the shortest lines. Short lines indicate recent divergence, and long lines indicate earlier divergence. The Sour Patch had an earlier divergence, while the Hershey bars with nuts have the most recent divergence. Now let's go over the types of evolutionary change. We have anagenesis and cladogenesis. Anagenesis is the evolution within a lineage over time, and cladogenesis is the splitting of one lineage into two. An example of anagenesis is the evolution of the Crunch Bar from when it first hit the shelves in 1938 and what it looks like now. The formula and the packaging has evolved over time, and the lineage has changed. Here are the references for this video, and thank you for watching.